Hi friends, welcome back to Cubicle Talks with Avik. Without wasting further time, I would like to touch down to my topic, which is the harsh reality of corporate job in your 30s. Are you prepared for it? Question थोड़ा serious है, but I would be covering few very important and simple factors which you can deep dive later on after seeing my video. So let's start. In a recent time, I had an interaction with one of my very close friend who's a senior developer in one of the big four companies. He was planning to buy a property in either Gurgaon or Bangalore, okay, and his criteria was he should buy a property which would be only like 5 to 6 kilometers radius from his office premises, okay, so that he doesn't waste too much time in terms of traveling. The main concerning point here are the price factors. The price of the property nowadays are starting from 1.25 to 1.45 minimum. So he is okay to take a loan, a home loan, but uska jo concerning points tha, very reasonable points he discussed with me are number one, if he takes the loan, will he be able to survive in terms of paying the EMIs, monthly EMIs for the next 20 years? What will happen to his job after 10 years down the line? Will he be in the job or everything will be automized? Question is very common and very simple, and I'm sure most of you would have this question in your mind. It's a pain point actually, because लोन तो उठा लोगे, उसके बाद क्या होगा अगर आपका नौकरी चले जाए? किस प्राइवेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड IT इंडस्ट्रीज लाइक वेरी वेरी वोलेटाइल, ओके, कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. कल जाके मार्केट गिर गया, बस सबका नौकरी जाएगा. तो ये कंसर्न था उसका कि अगर मैं लोन उठा भी लिया अभी, now तो I'll be able to pay my loan happily and will be able to save my I would be able to save money even after paying the EMIs. But in the long run क्या होगा अगर मैं लोन दे नहीं पाया? Next thing he was talking about are the technologies. Most of the things will be under AI in the next 5 years. So will there be any intervention, human intervention in the system? अगर AI एक बार लॉन्च हो गया, क्या जॉब्स रहेंगे? मुझे तो लगता है जॉब्स रहेंगे, बट a minimal workforce which is required to do a front-end interaction with the clients, those jobs will survive. But all the back-end job, everything will be finished, I would say. The positions are going to be redundant after 5 to 6 years down the line. And I'm sure if the AI comes into force, this will happen. Again, the question comes, how about the present scenario? The present scenario of the market industry and especially the IT and ITS sector is there are too much hire and fire going on. There's too many layoffs happening, and I'm sure you would have heard this. You would have read in the newspaper, in the news, that how much layoffs are being taken place in most famous companies, I would say. जितना भी बड़े बड़े इंडस्ट्रीज है, बड़े बड़े कंपनीज है, IT इंडस्ट्रीज, द ले ऑफ्स आर द पार्ट ऑफ देयर प्लान एंड स्ट्रेटेजी. एंड इन लोग का टारगेट होता है बहुत बार दैट टू ले ऑफ employees who have just started their work with that organization. Like first to 6 months mein, it is a very sensitive time because you can be laid off within your probation period. Because in the probation period there is no terms and conditions. Company can, there is a written clause in your offer letter that company can hire and fire you within 6 months without any questions being asked. So ये अगर हो गया तो जॉब गारंटी कहाँ पे? जॉब गारंटी है ही नहीं आजकल के ज़माने में. तो मुझे लगता है दिस इज द मोस्ट कंसर्निंग पॉइंट wherein the employees are not being able to have that 100% confidence of their job security. And because of this, they are not being able to decide in terms of taking many major financial decisions like taking home loan. Second point, the companies nowadays are glorifying few factors like overtime, working during weekends, no family time, working extended hours. क्यों? This is because the companies are trying to pressurize the employees so much nowadays that the employees are getting fed up and they're putting down their papers, because एक हद होता है, there is a level of capacity in human. If your brain is able to take 100% capacity in terms of the working time management and etc., it's 9 hours to maximum 14 hours. But the company now, many famous big companies are forcing employees to do overtime. First of all, logging in after going home, keeping a call or meetings after 9 o'clock, and if you say no, there are other people lined up. काम करने के लिए बहुत लोग हैं पीछे, बिकॉज नौकरी का ऐसा हो गया ना अभी कि मेरे को कुछ भी करवा लो, भाई मुझे नौकरी दे दो. तो इफ अ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन इज नॉट बीइंग एबल टू डू ऑल दिस थिंग्स like working during weekend, overtime, working without taking any leave for the 6 months, 7 months, and I've seen this personally, they will be straight away laid off by the companies, because companies are now I would say निचोड़ रहे हैं सबको in terms of their labor, their time, their knowledge, everything. So if you are not the one who's ready to take all these things in your plate, then you will be laid off. The third thing is that if you are still able to do all these things like overtimes, working during weekends, no leaves, no family time, your personal health gets affected too much. आज के दिन में ये चीज़ देखना, 80% of the workforce in their early 30s, they have blood pressure, they have diabetes, they have back pains, क्या क्या नहीं है, high cholesterol level. Because आप अगर 10 से 14 घंटा बैठ के एक जगह काम कर रहे हो, आपका मूवमेंट नहीं है कहीं पे, there is no physical activities, because आप तो जिम का मेंबरशिप लेके रख दिए, बट जिम जाने का टाइम कहाँ है? 7 बजे आप उठ के तैयार होके नहा धो के ऑफिस चले जाते हो, ऑफिस से लौटते लौटते 7-8 बज जाता है, ट्रैफिक झेलना पड़ता है, वो जो ऑफिस का एक क्या बोले उसको, the boss's feedback, the client's feedback, everything goes into your mind and you are mentally drained out. And even if in a particular day you are not mentally drained out, there's a client meeting after 9 o'clock. So एक चीज बताओ, कहाँ पे जिम जाने का टाइम कहाँ है? किसी के पास अपने आप को ख्याल रखने का टाइम ही नहीं है. And this is affecting today's corporate employees' health like hell, I would say. जान है तो जहान है. First of all, if you are sick or if you are in a very serious ailment, company will ask you to take a sabbatical. In worst case scenario, they can ask you to leave and tell you in a very polite manner that take care of your health, and then let us know once you are absolutely okay and we can rehire you. ऐसा चीज आजकल हो रहा है. Many companies, they indirectly ask question to the female employees, and this is a very harsh truth. Many interviewers nowadays are asking indirectly to the female employees that what about family planning? Do you have a child? Interview में ये question पूछा जाता है to the female employees that you have a child or not. how does the interviewer have a concern if they have a child or not? The only simple reason is, if you have a child, then you will not be able to give your 100%, because as a mother, your first and foremost responsibility is your children and your kid. The companies are very, very selfish. They will not understand, their main objective is to utilize your knowledge, utilize your labor 100%. Be it 10 hours, be it 14 hours, but you have to do it. तो ये चीज़ हो रहा है आजकल के कॉर्पोरेट इंडस्ट्री में, एंड दिस इज द हार्श रियलिटी गाइस. Until and unless you do a side hustle along with your job, I'm not talking about the moonlighting, but the side hustle I'm saying, you will not be able to have that 100% confidence on yourself, and आप हमेशा डर के काम करोगे, बिकॉज मेरा जॉब चला जाएगा तो मेरा क्या होगा. I have taken a loan, I have taken a SUV on loan, I have taken a home on loan. फिर उसका क्या होगा, EMI क्या होगा. बैंक तो टान के लेके जाएगा आपका गाड़ी, बैंक ताला लगा देगा EMI अगर नहीं पे कर पाओगे. सो इफ यू हैव अ ओनली सोर्स ऑफ इनकम, इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू survive in today's scenario if you are in your late 30s especially. So hope this video has helped you to understand कि क्या क्या factors हो रहा है आजकल के ज़माने में, and इस ऐसे तरीके का video I'll be publishing every week to discuss these points. See, this video is not for any knowledge transfer. I'm just discussing about the pain points, and please write down on the comment what are your thoughts about whatever I've spoken. I would like to interact with each one of my subscribers, and I would be really happy to read those comments. And if you have a different thoughts also, it doesn't matter. Let's interact. We can even get into a Zoom call to discuss collectively कि क्या हो रहा है, कैसे हम लोग ये चीज़ इकट्ठा कर मिलके we can solve, because this is the main pain point in today's corporate industry. So I would wait for your comments and likes, and please share this video with your friends and colleagues, and I'll see you soon.